Effective leadership skills. Learn why modern organization leaders must have effective leadership skills. If you look at the top-class organizations' leaders, you can see how nicely they have implemented effective leadership skills. That's why, today's leaders must need to show that they are not getting timid to take a calculated risk and are impotent to invest for success. Digitalization can build a competitive advantage to connect more deeply with customers. Companies that do not permit their leaders to hold close digitalization will find themselves excessively lacking very quickly. Why effective leadership is a must-have skill. The truth is, technology supplies infinite possibilities for idea generation and sharing. Leaders must pose to this power creatively. Technology is a great enabler that allows everyone to realize their potentiality. No matter what the size of the organization, technology provides the key for leaders to achieve a competitive benefit. Successful managers to adopt effective leadership strategy. Did you know, some of the most successful managers today are frequently adopting perfect leadership approach that embraces developing partnerships with employees? How Tonex effective leadership skills training can help. As you know, training is essential to get up to speed, and stay up to speed, on new developments in the era of modern technology. Artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, 5G capabilities, autonomous vehicles, smart cities and the fourth industrial revolution all factors into potential strategies and profits for organizations. Learn what it takes to be an effective and efficient leader in business environment. Effective leadership skills, like all Tonex modern leadership, for the digital era, courses are taught by professional instructors and mentors with real-world experience. Need a course adapted to your organization's needs? Tonex can help. Why choose Tonex? Because Tonex really works. Want to learn more? Call Tonex Training at 1-972-665-9786, Plano, Texas, USA, or visit tonex.com for effective leadership skills training course and workshop detail.